smoky eyes or my everyday makeup look? Fact is, I didn't have any brushes, so for many years, Q-tips were my makeup brushes. I've always thought that Q-tips were the best brushes ever. Why? They're multi-purpose, affordable, sanitary, disposable, and works just as great. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a smoky eye with Q-tips. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the Maybelline Eye Studio eyeliner, and you probably are going to see this in a lot of my videos because I absolutely love this eyeliner so much. I use it on a daily, and in this video I'm just making my usual winged liner with it. Taking a Q-tip, I'm going to be using the side with more cotton and gently pat down on it. Then I'm taking a MAC shadow that I had for like 5 years, which I really shouldn't be using, but I will just for this video. This is in the shade Carbon. With the Q-tip, I'm placing the shadow right above my eyeliner and blending it upwards. Next, I'm using a Face Shop shadow in BR03. I'm applying the shade right above the Carbon and blending the shade together so that it has a nice blend to it. I'm also using the other side of the cotton swab that doesn't have shadow on it, and I'm feathering the brown upwards. Also guys, the trick when it comes to using cotton swabs with shadow is to always make sure to have a light hand, especially when it comes to blending. I'm now going to be curling both sides of my lashes. Taking some Lash by KoKo lashes in Goddess, I'm just going to be applying these on my eyes. And lastly, I'm taking the Face Shop's Daily Proof mascara and just applying these on the bottom of my lashes. We are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.